Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this simple looking problem, that is 8 divided by 4 divided 8 divided by 4. So let's start with today's video solution. So I am going to solve it with both the approach, what people make the mistake and what is the right way to solve this. So first 8 divided by 4, they write 2 and then 8 divided by 4 again 2 and 2 divided by 2 as 1, which is the wrong answer. When same operation is repeating, that is here division sign, then you have to solve it from left to right always. So it becomes 8 by 4 divided by 8 divided by 4. So it's 2 divided by 8 divided by 4. So it's 2 by 8 divided by 4. 2 by 8 is 1 by 4 divided by 4. So here we are going to use KCF rule, where K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So it's 4 becomes 1 by 4 here. So what is the final answer? 1 by 16, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful and you learned what people make mistake, and I hope you will not repeat this mistake. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.